Hello children, welcome to the English class.
Let us start today the new lesson. Lesson number 3. High and lifted up. Okay children, read. It was a windy day. Tommy was watching the shutters open and then shut. Open and then shut. Mom, he said, may I go outside? Be careful, she said. It's so windy today. Children, it was a windy day. Windy day means the wind was blowing fast outside. And Tommy is the boy. He was watching the shutters. Shutters. Shutters means the windows, door. Okay, shutters. These were just opening and then automatically getting shut down. Means open and close. Open, shut. Open, shut. That time he asked his mother, Mom, may I go outside? And mom replies, be careful, it's so windy today. Means the air is passing so heavily. Just be careful, take care of yourself. Tommy ran to the door and opened it. The wind blew fiercely. Tommy ran outside and the door slammed shut. Outside, yellow, gold and red leaves were jumping off the roof and chasing one another down the street. Tommy watched in fascination as some leaves slide down a slope. If I were a leaf, I would fly in the blue skies across the world, Tommy thought. Tommy's mother came to the front porch. Tommy, I have a jacket. Please put it on, she called. However, there was no Tommy in the front yard. Tommy was a leaf. He was blowing down the street with the rest of his playmates. A maple leaf came close by.
They swirled around and round,
Flew up into the air and then down again. Okay children, let me read and explain it. Okay. Tommy ran to the door and opened it. Soon the mummy said, be careful. Just Tommy was in hurry to go outside. So he ran to the door and opened it. The wind blew furiously. Furiously means very strongly. That could cause the damage. Means it's coming very fastly. Means strongly wind is coming inside the near the door. Tommy ran outside and the door slammed shut. Slammed means making noise. Okay, door made noise while it shutting down. Outside, yellow color, gold means dry, and red leaves were jumping off the roof. Means due to the wind is blowing very fast, so the leaves were flying. It looks like they are jumping off the roof, chasing one another down the street. Tommy watched in fascination. Fascination means children attraction, observing in the curiously. Very strong attraction that makes something very interesting. Okay, as some leaves slide down a slope, means slowly they came and felt on the ground. Okay, Tommy is thinking, if I were a leaf, I would fly in the blue skies across the world. Tommy thought. Tommy thought that if he were a leaf, he could have fly in the blue sky and across the world. Across the world means wherever he want he can fly. Okay, if he were a leaf. Tommy's mother came to the front porch, means this veranda. Mama came outside. Okay. Tommy, I have your jacket. Please put it on, she called. She had brought a jacket for Tommy to wear. But Tommy was went already. However, there was no Tommy in the front yard. Here, there is no Tommy. Mummy calls Tommy. Okay. Tommy was a leaf. Tommy has become a leaf. He was blowing down the street. Means with the air, he was just passing down the street. With the rest of his playmates. These all becomes his playmates. Means friends. A maple leaf, a maple tree leaf came close by.
They swirled. Swirled means children's moving fast in a circular motion, round and round.
Okay, around and round. Okay, flew up into the air and then down again. We'll continue again. This is fun, Tommy thought. The maple leaf was bright red with well-defined veins. The morning light shone through it, giving a brightness never before seen by a little boy's eyes. Okay, Tommy is telling, this is fun. He was just thinking that it was so fun. The maple leaf was bright red in color and well-defined veins. Veins means the lines, the pass-through lines. Okay, children. The morning light means the sunlight shone through it, giving brightness. Okay, never seen before in a means Tommy never seen such a leaf which is so bright light. Okay, and the veins defined it. Okay, children, we'll stop over here. We'll continue in the next class.